Hi guys, just an update on how things have been going at the new shop. I know it's been a while, sorry about that, keeping busy, but I guess that's good and bad. The main obstacle right now that I'm trying to overcome is the reading glasses factor. Because my eyesight is starting to go pretty good, when viewing stuff that's close by, I need these glasses. Even when working on engines or on vehicles, I find myself constantly using these glasses, and it doesn't really help. Or as you can see, it's not really that feasible to wear the recording glasses at the same time. So I have not been recording anything really with the video glasses, but I have been recording stuff with my cell phone, you know, little things here and there. And as you can see, the picture behind me, BMW E39 with the V8, big old timing chain repair because of the guide rails flaking and the vanos not functioning correctly. So anyways, a huge learning experience for me, and this was within like 2 months of starting work at the new location. And those of you guys who have reached out and asked questions, you know, how things are going, etc., I much appreciate it, checking in on me. And for those of you that know that I reply to any and all questions, I've been replying to everybody saying exactly that. I'm doing fine, but I am sort of the stress level has gone down, you know, but because there's tons of jobs that I'm doing now that I've never done before, this one being one of them, the stress level was quite high, you know. And the good thing is that at the current shop, you know, you take your time. It is what it is, basically. They'd rather want me to do the job correctly and take longer than rush through it and have comebacks. So like I said, there's lots of stuff that I've done now that I've never done before, so I'm learning lots, and that is a good thing for me. With regards to videos, I will be starting to, or like I said, I'm trying to get things going again, but because of this eye issue, I got to figure something out. Maybe what they can do is they can, I'll take it to a optometry place, you know what I mean, and then maybe they can cut some lenses for me, but that's going to be expensive. So that's pretty much it. I'm doing fine. No COVID here. Hope everybody else is doing fine. And that's it. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. Thanks for watching. I don't think I missed it. Oh yeah, no. Obviously, since I'm helping out, with tech questions, YouTube comments, etc., there's nothing better than being able to help somebody and then get this out of it.
Tom, we are so stoked. Check it out. Ignition coil did the trick. Thank you so much for all of your help. You rock. And we're coming to Washington, so we'll be close by you, but we can't cross the border. But thanks a lot, man. Talk to you soon.
So yeah, being able to help somebody like that, and it's a reward for me. It's a reward for them, being able to, in a pinch, when they are in a pinch, get the car going so that they can do what they wanted to do. And this guy here was so appreciative, gave me a nice big tip too. So thank you guys for contacting me, to those guys who contacted me for tech support and or phone support. Thank you for those donations. They do mean a lot and help a lot as well. So again, I'm doing fine. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the lack of videos, but like I just said, I'm busy and I'm learning more, and eventually once I'm in a groove and feel comfortable enough, I'll start recording again. And not just more comfortable, like I said, it's the eye issue. I have to maybe get a LASIK eye treatment. I don't know yet, but that's more money to spend. Okay, sorry, thanks, bye.